All three of the big four banks will lift their interest rates tomorrow. It comes after the Reserve Bank increased the cash rate again, this time by 0.25%, and many homeowners are now looking to refinance.
Just got to shop around, I think. Yeah, it's in their best interest to do that.
I'm only a year into my first loan, so next year when my fixed period ends, I will.
A great rate for owner-occupiers right now would be just over 4%, but Rate City estimates the average customer who hasn't haggled will be paying probably around 5.36%. It's a big difference, isn't it? So how do you get the best deal? For more, we're joined by Sally Tyndall from Rate City and homeowner Sophia Franzini. Thank you very much, both of you, for joining us on the couch. Sally, how much can people actually save by refinancing?
Oh, it's astounding when you look at the figures. So if someone on that 5.36 figure dropped their rate, refinanced to something that's just over 4%, over the first 2 years they could save $11,299. That's including switch costs. That's including the forecasted rate hikes. It's astronomical. And then on a larger loan, there's more pain with the rate hikes, but more savings to be had if you refinance. On $1 million loan, you're looking at a savings of $23,949 over the first 2 years.
Jeez.
Just in 2 years.
Sophia, you recently did it.
Yes.
Okay. Everyone's thinking about it, but they say, oh, it's just going to be too hard. Is it too hard to refinance?
Not at all. I found the process with Reduce very simple. So it was as easy as submitting all my paperwork, getting the approval, and that was basically it. So the whole process took about a month.
And how much you say?
I'm saving $230 a month.
Wow.
Yeah, right. That's significant. And they keep going up, so it's probably going to be even more. Sally, so what are your tips for borrowers? Because we keep doing these stories, and I think people, it goes in one ear and out the other, but we're hitting crunch time, aren't we?
Oh, we really are. And if you look at the latest refinancing figures, people are understanding this. They are doing something about it. We estimate that around 550,000 mortgages in the last month alone in the data have refinanced and are now no longer getting slapped with the complacency tax. So if you're going to refinance, compare apples with apples. Rates are on the rise, but lenders move at different times. Just be conscious of this. If you see a rate that starts with a 3, it could be too good to be true. It might be that the October rate hike hasn't been factored in, maybe even the September one. So pick up the phone and say, does this include all of the RBA hikes? Or are you going to hike my rate as soon as I sign up? Be careful of that. The other thing is, if you're going to refinance, there are costs involved, but your new lender may waive the upfront fees. Ask. If you don't ask, you don't get. They really want your business, they could send them over the line.
Okay, really good tips.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing, you two. Save a lot of money, let me tell you.